Today we are going to take a look at how to build a minor triad on page 29. If you can remember, for grade 1 we learned how to build a tonic triad based on a major scale using the first, third and the fifth degrees of that scale. To build a minor tonic triad, we are going to use the same method by using the first, third and the fifth notes of a minor scale. So you can see in this example they have given us the scale of A minor. You have the first note A and the third note is C and the fifth note is E. So A, C and E played together will be an A minor tonic triad because it starts on the first note of the A minor scale. So you can see they have marked the first note as the tonic. That means it's a special name given for the first note of the scale. So again, when we are going to label the chord, for major chords we are going to write a capital Roman number 1, and for minor tonic triads we are going to use the simple Roman number 1. So you can actually place these three notes anywhere you like on the stave. There are so many possible ways to voice an A minor triad. So for example, you can place the A on the bass and place the rest of the two notes on the treble clef. Okay. So let's take a look at your exercises. On the first question, we have to add the missing notes of the A minor tonic triad. So you know the A minor tonic triad is built up on A, and the third note is C, and the fifth note is E. So they have given us a C here, and we have to write the missing notes where it's needed. Next we have the bass clef E. You can see the bottom two notes are missing, the C and the A. Right. The next we have a C given, so we need to write the E, the fifth note, and the first note below it. Okay. Let's take a look at the second question on page 30. The following music is all written using notes from the tonic triads that you know. In each case, name the key, then label the chord using a Roman numeral. So you can easily spot the chords because they are stacked in thirds, and you have to check the key signature here to find out the key. They are all going to be tonic triads which are given in the same key signature. So the first one, you can see there is no key signature. There are no sharps or flats before the time signature. So this means it can be a C major scale or the relative minor of that, which is an A minor if you count three semitones down. Let's take a look at the chord below. You can see it's built up on A, then the third note C and the fifth note E. So if it starts on A, then you have to think of this as an A minor, because if it's C major, you will most probably have a C major tonic triad. So let's write the key of this piece, and the chord is a minor chord. Okay, so we are going to write a simple Roman number 1 for a minor triad. Let's take a look at the next one. You can see the key signature of F major is given. There's a B flat here, and the chords are built on the treble clef and they are starting on F. So F, A and C. So this one's an F major tonic triad built on F. So the tonic triad can be labeled as a capital Roman number for major chords. And let's take a look at the last one. We have again C major key signature with no sharps or flats, but it can also be the relative minor of C major, which is an A minor. So first let's find out the triad. The triad is built on a A, so I'm going to take this as A minor, and the tonic triad of A minor has A, C and E. So we're going to write a simple number 1. Alright, so that's it for this week. I'll see you next time.